thanks everyone, whoever is here, for taking out your precious time and being here. I would like to thank Mr. KTR Garu, who was unexpectedly couldn't come here because of some other issues. But thank you, sir. Because of him, we were able to make the street circuit possible. And I would like to thank Mr. P.P. Reddy Garu and Krishna Reddy Garu and my dad, always being support and guiding me into a right path. And I feel really happy and blessed to have a family like this. So I'll just get into the details of the event. So this is a great day for Indian motorsport, and I'm proud to make Hyderabad the center stage for this vision of ours. Our entire focus and ambition is focused in the development of motorsports and creating a platform for aspiring Indian racing drivers to earn FIA points to complete the highest level. I mean the Formula One, which is the highest level. By investing in assets and infrastructure to help build and the fundamentals of the sports in India, we are also making our intention clear to make motorsports more accessible and affordable across all segments. Because there's a misconception in Indians, especially they think that the motorsport is a costly affair. But our trial here is to make it more affordable and get out the great talent which is hidden in India. So this will make India a hub for global motorsports, enabling an army of technicians, mechanics and engineers to have a career in the motorsports. The formats which we will talk about later will help you understand how we are empowering women, giving equal opportunities and making an entire ecosystem that is gender neutral, as much as the vision and ambition is to create the next F1 drivers for India. And my personal ambition to promote women racing drivers and have the first F1 woman driver from India. 80% see the motorsports as entertainment. But the idea is to legitimize the sports aspect of racing, where there is absolutely zero margin for error and the physical plus mental fitness levels are higher than most other sports, which is an important factor in us choosing to invest in motorsports. We will also show through multiple programs and education to the ministry why this requires greater recognition and support. FIA Super License Points affords us the unique opportunity to be the only sports league in India that is truly global in terms of creating world champions, that can provide the propel talent to compete at the highest level. Would like to welcome the honorable guests, Mr. Krishna Reddy Garu, P.P. Reddy Garu and Gopi Garu, for gracing this occasion. So through the multiple programs and education, we are trying to show that why this requires greater recognition and support. FIA Super License Points affords us the unique opportunity to be the only sport in India that is truly global in terms of creating world champions. Without further delay, I would like to give you the opportunity of our esteemed guests to grace this occasion and being a new era in motorsports. Thank you. Jai Hind.